The office of the Senapti District Students Association, along with a few seniors of our association, have distributed the relief materials to the stranded passengers, especially the drivers who were stranded along the National Highway stretch, National Highway 2 stretch, starting from Maugit to Senapti for the past few weeks. They were facing acute shortage of food and other basic necessities due to the prevailing situation in the state and due to the ban imposed by the Kuki MP. We hope and believe that the relief materials which have been distributed today may give them comfort, may give them peace and shelter in our area.
시다 민 합기부로 민양 칼군만 다 합그리고 생체 민망다 기도
This place is just before reaching Moget.
ये आप लोग ऐसे करो लाइक एक साथ में बोलो 2 लाइन या 1 लाइन बनाओ नहीं तो बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है ना